फ्रेन्ड्स वेलकम ब्याक टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। अब घुम्दा घुम्दै चाहिँ अहिले हामी मेघालय आइपुगेका छौँ होइन गाइज। मैले मेघालयको पनि लगभग 3-4वटा भिडियो त पोस्ट गरिसकेका छौँ। हामी डाउकी रिभर गयौँ, इलेफेन्ट वाटरफल लास्ट टाइमको भिडियो थियो, अनि हामी शिलङ घुम्यौँ। सो अब अहिले चाहिँ म यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ हजुरहरूलाई मेघालयको एउटा एकदमै धेरै लार्जली पपुलेटेड हुने ठाउँ होइन, एकदम धेरै टुरिस्ट आउने ठाउँ लिएर जाँदैछु। एन्ड यो चाहिँ हो गार्डन अफ केभ। सो गार्डन अफ केभ कस्तो छ गाइज, यो भिडियोमा हामी हेरौँला। अनि त्यहाँ पछाडि म हजुरहरूलाई अरू भिडियोहरू चाहिँ नेक्स्ट एपिसोडमा लिएर आउँछु। बट यो एपिसोडमा चाहिँ हामी गार्डन अफ केभ हामी मसँग हजुरहरू घुम्नु होला है त गाइज। सो भिडियोमा अब धेरै गफ नहानौँ एन्ड भिडियोमा सिधै हामी जाउँ है त गाइज। So friends, we are on the gate way to Cherrapunji, and this is the bridge, one of the fascinating bridge. Yes, हाम्रो दाइ हामीलाई लगभग 3 दिनदेखि चाहिँ मजाले साथ दिनुभएको छ दाइले हैन। And we are going to Cherrapunji now, and our dai taking us to Cherrapunji. Guys, this is where our Cherrapunji begins. When we're crossing the bridge over there, there is Cherrapunji. This is the border between the Cherrapunji and I don't know which state, which district is this, but while crossing there will be a Cherrapunji, and there is a bungee line which is constructing over the hills of the Cherrapunji. So bungee also available here, and this is, I think this is a river. Yeah, there is a small river down there, and this is some kind of khati or khadi. There's a small river around down here, and this is beautiful guys. The hills over here is beautiful, but not compared to our country Nepal. But I am enjoying a lot in a Cherrapunji. So guys, now we are at Garden of Caves. अब चाहिँ हामी गार्डन अफ केभ हेर्न जाँदैछौँ होइन। पहिला चाहिँ टिकट काट्ने अनि त्यहाँबाट गार्डन अफ केभ हेर्न निस्किने होइन त केटाकेटी हो। This is Pulang stream, and this is the garden of cave in Cherrapunji. Now we are entering into the cave system. Okay. Spot number 2 is a Kayasam stream. नाम हो कि पासपोर्ट हो यो? Yeah, this is beautiful. We have to go through caves here. So the name of this place is the Garden of Cave. Stairs. So now this is the waterfall over here. This is one small waterfall over here, and the water over here is crystal clear. Garden of the cave in Meghalaya. This is fawn, massive fawn. Here is also a fawn plant. Here is sprouting, and now we are heading to the second spot. Spot number 3. Now we are heading to spot number 3. This is String Hong Wang. What? Logic word. So this is number 3, and we have to go from there to visit next one. Okay, thank you. What is this name?
Number 3 is Te Mao.
How it pronounced?
Te Mao.
Te Mao.
Shield shade stone.
Still save stone. Oh.
S is silent.
Saint Mao. So, and we are heading to the next spot. And this two goal looks beautiful for me. My wife is over there. If she finds I'm explaining them, then she will kill me. Yeah, this is a beautiful waterfall. Nice. I like it. So after finishing this spot 3, we are heading to Kakrim Ba Duang Thayam. Spot number 4. Now we are heading, and it is on the ground here. This is so beautifully carved. Oh, this is actually a cave. This is actually a cave. Okay, girl. This cave system is same like our Moindra Gufa in Pokhara, but yes, David Fall also. But here is so managed. In Pokhara, there is not so well managed like this. So it is beautiful. Our country should develop our visiting place also like this. And this is actually a nice. Now we are heading to next spot. Spot 5. Look, this is carved and stoned, and here is the exit point. Yes, this is the exit point. Now we are exiting to our next destination. Yes, now there is a root waterfall, Khasid Tengu Duang. Spot 5 is over there side. This garden of the cave is one of the best places in the Meghalaya to visit, isn't it or not?
Yes, it's true good. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Yeah, we are going to the next spot now. I think, guys, this is another spot. So water is falling from the root, so I think that is a root waterfall that's written in that board, and this is the root waterfall, I think so. So here you can see the water is falling from the root over there. And garden of the cave is so nice actually. It's worth of 100 rupees. First time in Meghalaya, I feel like it's worth to visit. And the price tag doesn't matter, is this place. Garden of cave. There is yes, this is here is written spot number 6, that is Khandung Ling, and this is root waterfall. This is 5th, and we are heading to the 6th. Now we are heading to our 6th spot. This is the waterfall that flow from there to here, and it is beautiful. That name Umlang Fall. This waterfall name is Umlang Fall. Tallest waterfall in the area, Wang Fall. This is the tallest waterfall in this garden of dreams. Yes, water is flowing from there to here, and one aeroplane is flew over there. There. So this is waterfall, and this is beautiful. I want to show you from inside the waterfall. Actually, water is flowing from there and up to here. And I am sitting here, guys. This is a waterfall, Umyang waterfall. And we will exit from here. And this is beautiful, the nature. And I really love our nature so much. Guys, if you really wanna come Meghalaya, so please come. But you should remind the only one thing in the Meghalaya, it's so expensive over here. So if you are planning to the low budget, then it is not the best place to visit. But if you have a budget and if you really love to explore this kind of places over Meghalaya, there is lots of places. So but be sure you should have a proper budget. If you are actually a budget planning, then this is not a place to visit, okay? This is the bamboo. And it's beautiful. Stream. This stream is beautiful. And now we are exiting from there to there. One destination is still remaining. We are not going to exit from here. We are going to visit Kasid Arasad. I think it is the waterfall. This is over here. This is the last spot, the waterfall. And we are heading to the waterfall. And the road over here is quite slippery. It is carved by the hand. Yes, there is changing room. Can we swim here? Can we swim? Oh, yeah, we can swim here. 10 minutes. Okay. This is the place called Kasid Arsad. What does it pronounce?
Shad Asdad.
What?
Shad Asdad.
Pass?
Shad Asdad.
Syed Asad. So that is Syed Asad. And the left is. And this is the waterfall. This is one of the beautiful waterfalls. This is short, but it is a beautiful. And water over here is quite nice for swimming. And here is also for me to swim. Now guys, look over there. There is a waterfall falling from there. And over here. And this is beautiful. Actually, Meghalaya is a beautiful place. What?
Baby in the mother's room.
This is, oh, baby in the mother room. Okay, this one is at the spot. What does it pronounce? Umau Khilung. Umau Khilung.
Where in China?
Now we are heading to the another spot. Like this is dancing. Coffee is available here. And we are heading to 9 and 10 spot. What did that pronounce? Dawai. Dawai. Okay. Dawai. And this is a suicide spot. And this is suicide point.
Yeah, suicide point, yeah.
Where we go and jump there over there.
We are going to do it.
Now we are heading to Bamboo Bridge. This is Bamboo Bridge. breeze.
Today, Nagdano bridge मा सौदाइजहरु यो टोटली ब्याम्बोले बनेको ब्रिज
Look over there. There is a khai, and we are going to see. We are going to see what Dorai. I don't know. What?
कुम्कुला माला
In here, breeze is not that much stable. So, and what is that?
It's a bamboo bottle
Bamboo bottle.
for
Oh,
collecting this medicinal water.
oh, that's nice.
100 per bottle.
100 per bottle. Okay. This water over here is a medicinal water. Sundawai. This is the medicinal water. This is the medicinal water, which is actually came from here and dropped there. So this is the water. Many of the people collect the water from here for their drinking purposes, and this is actually medicinal water. So there also coins are there, and I think this is the actually right way to drink water. So water is cold over here. Yes, it is fresh. It is fresh. Yes. So guys, if you are traveling here, and you should bring one bottle with you, because there is the water, so you can collect the water for the drinking purpose also. Okay, now we are heading back to our exit. I think this is the last spot, Muduwang, and
Center of the garden,
excuse me. So this is heart-shaped rock. Look, it's nice. And the water is coming from deep into the stone. Nice. And this is the last spot of our garden of cave, which is so beautiful, guys. Heart-shaped rock.